Hey guys, Netherite here, welcome back to another video. So if you didn't know, recently I've been working on this game here called Infinite Obby Simulator, and I've kind of been procrastinating a little bit. So I thought that every month I'm going to start posting unedited devlogs about this game, so you guys can see the progress I'm making, and hopefully that encourages me to work on it more. So this is the first devlog, and I'm going to show you what the game looks like right now. So first of all, let's start with the spawn map. So you can see we have this global leaderboard area right here. And it has this nice little building with a trophy on top and a fountain. And then you can see all of these leaderboard stats on these leaderboards. Oh, and I'm also going to be going over some Easter eggs and secrets and codes in this game as well. And then you have this nice little wonderful looking statue of me right here. And it says, "In honor of Netherite Dev, the coolest person in the history of the universe." And this is actually a nice little Easter egg because behind it, you can click this button and it'll send the statue flying into space. Now, it doesn't work for me, as you can see, because I already have activated before. But if you activate the statue, it will send me going into space, which is pretty neat. Alright, and then over here we have a little shop area right here, which is just a way to get it without the UI. You can access the shop through the UI as well. So we have game passes, as you can see, and skips, which basically means we can regenerate a level, which I'll get into a little bit. And then over here, I'm working on, actually I hired somebody to make a little obby race tournament thing. So that's what that is. And over here is my VIP area. Now, I don't actually have, you see there's a nice little animation. I don't actually have anything here yet except for an obby that I'm going to make it so you can like do it like every few hours, or no, not every few hours, like every 10 minutes, and it gives you a boost or something. But I haven't gotten to that yet. Alright, so my first Easter egg of the day, you might have seen it already. But behind this, there is a note. If you click on it, let's see how it's not letting me click. Alright, you see this pops up, and since I already have the badge, nothing happens, but it would give me a coin reward. And if you use code beans in this code tab here, which I already have, it'll, I believe, give you a free skip, so that's pretty neat. And then right here, of course, we have this chest, which I actually just finished working on before starting to record this. So you come back every 8 hours and you can claim it. It plays these nice little effects. And your reward depends on your rank. Since I am intermediate rank, which I believe is the 5th rank, I got 750 coins and a skip. Now let's go ahead and look at some of the UI real quick before we move on to the actual game. So you can see we have the shop right here. We have the Robux shop, which you've already seen. And we also have obby skins, which is basically like a way to customize your obby. So right now I only have 4 skins. I have the free one that you start with, so I'll equip that for now. Then you have a VIP Game Pass skin, a black and white obby skin, and a water and lava skin. And I'm going to add more in the future. Alright, so you've already seen the codes panel right here, which is actually the same code panel from a tutorial on this channel. But basically you can type in codes. The other 2 codes, I believe, are starters. Yeah, starters, and I think can't remember the other one. I think it's release, maybe. Yeah, there you go. That one I haven't redeemed yet, apparently. Then you have this button that just lets you return to the lobby, although your streak will get reset if you do. Streak is basically like how many obbies you've beaten in a row. And again, you haven't seen the obbies yet. I'll get to that in a bit. Then we have stats, which I skipped over. And I actually coded this yesterday, I think. So you have the player stats. As you can see, the default leader stats shower here is disabled. So instead, we have this UI here, which shows us all of our stats. We have our obbies beaten, and then our common, uncommon, and then like the different rarities beaten, the amounts of them, I guess. Then we have our high streak, which is the highest amount of obbies we beaten in a row. Our current streak, and our death, which you should probably ignore because I've been testing a lot of levels, so what did I just do? Don't judge me on that, please. And then you have coins collected, which is like coins picked up during obbies, and current coins, which is how many coins you have right now. And then you have the server stats, which is basically like leader stats if I had it enabled. And it's going to show, it shows all the players on the server. And then you can click on their name to expand it, and you can see their rank, their coins, their high. Oh, I forgot to add commas here. I'll get to that. I'll have to do that after this video. But you can see the rank, coins, high streak, and obbies beaten. And you can refresh this if you want to. Now this actually updates live, but you only need to refresh this expanded version. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go to a different, or reset my data real quick. If I can find leader stats. Here it is. I'm going to reset my data because, so you can see some of the things that are locked right now. So let's do main save, version 1, I guess. Actually, I think I tested here before. Or maybe not. Okay. So, what I wanted to show you... okay, so now onto the actual gameplay. I'll get to this locked area in a bit. But let's go ahead and show you the actual gameplay first. So you walk into the portal here. You can see I have one skip upon spawning. And basically, an obby spawns in. Now since I have double coin game pass, you can see I'm earning double the coins. But you can see an obby is generated. I believe I have 50 obbies right now, and it chooses a random one to spawn in. Well, actually it's not random because there are rarities to it. So you can see let's see, well actually I have the game pass for higher rarities. So legendary is 1.5, and then epic 8.5%, rare 15%, and common 25%, and common 50%. And then right here are the game pass rarities. So if you own the higher level chances game pass, you can see legendary is 100, epic is 160, or no, sorry, legendary is 10%, epic is 160, oops, whatever, rare is 18%. No, sorry, epic 16%, rare 18%, uncommon 26%, and common is 30% with that game pass. And right here you can see my list of all current levels. I do plan on having 300 levels before release, but that might change. And then you can see you step here to actually beat the level. So this is an epic level. And then from there, a new level is generated. You can see I have a high streak of 1 now as well. But a new level is generated, and now you gotta beat this level. and it just keeps going. I might add some randomly generated levels later. Instead of having me make every single level, I might add some randomly generated ones. I might figure out how to do that. Let's go ahead and beat this one, though. What? How'd I die? Oh my god. Oh, luckily, I have the 2x speed and 2x jump game passes, so I can just jump right past all of this, actually. And there we go. Alright. So I just cheated a little bit. Oh god, not this level. This is a legendary level, I believe. And it looks simple, but this took me like 30 minutes to test out. Oh god, I might have to skip over this one. Oh my god. I'll show you what it looks like to use a skip in a little bit. Probably like in a few seconds, because I cannot seem to beat this level ever. Alright, let's go ahead and show you what the skip looks like. I want to beat this though for the coins. These legendary levels give a lot of coins. Oops, okay, whatever. I'll just skip it. So you can skip by clicking this button or clicking here. And once you do that, it just spawns in a new level. Oh, this is one of my first levels, I think. Oh, and I completely forgot to show you guys the obby skins. So I'll show you guys that after I beat this level. Alright, so obby skins. I might be too broke to afford any. So you can see we have the default one right now. Though I can equip the VIP one. There we go. Let's go ahead and beat. Oh, I got this level again. Alright. So I'm just going to go ahead and beat this real quick so you can see an obby skin. There you go. So you see it just basically changes the colors of the obby. It's pretty obvious, actually. Let's go ahead and beat this real quick. I'm going to get through a few levels before I show you guys infinite mode, which you can see over there. I cannot beat this. Why am I so bad at this? There we go. Oh, I ranked up already. That's nice. But you can see it changes the color of the parts, the kill parts, the disappearing parts, and the trust parts. So let's go ahead and give me some coins so I can show you guys the other skins real quick. See if I can find it. There's a lot of values here. Coins. Okay, give myself. Actually, I'm gonna need 22,000. Or no, 12,000. Because I'm gonna show you guys something later. Alright, so now I have 12,000 coins. Let's go ahead and beat this level. Oh, wait, I completely forgot to show you this tab. Alright, let's go ahead and... What am I doing? Let's go ahead and buy these skins real quick, as you can see. And they automatically become equipped. So I'm just going to show you guys these two real quick. Think I might have added too many coins to this level. There we go. There we go. So here's my water and lava level. There we go. Now the texture is loaded. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's just water and lava parts. And let's go ahead and show you my other level real quick, or my other skin, I'm sorry, which is black and white. So let's go ahead and beat this first. Oops. I'm going to cheat again just to make it a little bit faster. And this one's pretty simple. It's just black and white. You can only see black because that's the level, but it's just parts. But if it got a level with kill parts, you would see black and white. Ski. See, I want to get a level with kill parts or something like that. Why didn't it work? Why? Alright, there we go. So you can see the kill parts are white. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at this mission tab that I forgot about. Oh, here's my other legendary level, by the way. Let's give you a quick look at it. Just real quick. But here's my here's my missions tab. So you can see there are missions here. You can either have playtime missions, collecting coin missions, or beat obby missions. So I have this one done already. You can see you claim it. It gives you a reward, and then a new mission pops up. So for me, this one is play for 5 minutes. And if I do that, I will get 50 coins. And forget what I was going to say. This one down here is actually, you actually need to own the VIP Game Pass to have access to this, the third mission. But if you're a free player, you'll have access to 1 and 2. So you have access to 2 missions for free. And see if I can beat this level on the first try before I show you infinite mode just really fast. See, just avoid all the kill parts. It's hard to see with this other layer above me. If I beat this on the first try, this is going to be the first time I've ever beaten this legendary level in one go. And it didn't happen. Alright. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and show you infinite mode. So I can go ahead and return to the lobby real quick. And infinite mode is in this portal right here. You probably saw it. But basically, you have to unlock it first because you need to pay for it. So let's go ahead and unlock it right now. It costs 10,000 coins. And then once you do that, you'll be able to play infinite mode, which is basically just like normal mode, except there is no ending to it. So the obbies just continue on forever. It has all the levels after each other. Is that jump even possible? I might need to fix that. It probably is, but let's see. Yeah, it's possible. Alright. But you can see that at the end of it, first of all, there are no coins in these infinite levels at all. But instead of the finish block, you have this green block right here. And that gives you a little reward for finishing the level. And, yeah, it's basically just normal mode, but it goes on forever. And I'm also really bad at it. For some reason, I can't ever beat infinite mode, like, past 3 levels. But yeah, that's basically it. That's a quick look at my game so far. Next month, I will be here again with improvements, probably, if I don't forget. See, I want to beat this. So we can get the reward again since I died. And then No, I didn't use the boost fast enough. Alright, it's fine. But anyways, I do hope you enjoyed this quick look at my game so far. I'm going to go ahead and revert the data now. There we go. Let me know what suggestions you have for it in the comments, because this game still needs a lot of work. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.